Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python. This is by Professor Sudarshan Iyengar, IIT Roper. This is 12-week course and the week 3 contents is available and the week 3 assignment is also available here. The last date of submission is 16th of August 2023. So we'll solve this assignment. The first question is given here, that what will be the output of the following code. The code list is given here and then we have to find out what is the output. So the correct option is option C, that CDE. This code print CDE. Slicing is used here. Next question is, which of the following is a valid way to declare a dictionary in Python? So the correct option is option A. This is the curly braces are used to declare the dictionary in a Python. Next question is, which of the following method is correct to add an element at specific position? The insert method is used to add an element at a specific position. So the correct option is option A. Next question is, what is the correct syntax to add an item to the end of the list in a Python? So we'll use the append method to add an element at the end of the list. So the correct option is option B, list.append item. Next question is, which of the following is not a valid data type in a Python? That character is not a valid data type in a Python. That correct option is option D, that a character is not a valid data type. Next question is, what is the output of this code? So the correct option is none of the above. So it prints every value, that 1 to 20. It prints 1, then 2, then 3. 3 is fizz, like this. So the none of the above is the correct answer of this question. Next question is question 7. What is the output of the following code? The code is given here. So the correct output is option A, 2. Next question is, what is the output of the following code? Code is given here. This is used to reverse the string. So it prints option B, OLLEH. The correct option is option B. What is the output of the following code? The code is given here. We have to find out the output. So the correct output is 0. Option C, 0. Okay. Next question is, what is the output of the following code? The code is given here and the slicing is used here. So the correct option is option B, YTH. So this is the solution of the week 3 of the course, NPTEL course, The Joy of Computing Using Python. Submit it on or before 16th of August. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.